Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jake at the Trek Store Madison West. Beautiful day today. I want to welcome you in for a little tour on the Bike Flight's Top Shop Tour. At the Madison West store, it's pretty cool. We talk about being the helpful hub of the greater Dane County cycling community, so it does kind of start right here. We've got a lot of bikes all over the place, but this is kind of the fun first part where we get to greet you and get to know a little bit more about you, your cycling goals, and kind of where you want to go from there. One fun one to sit there and highlight is kind of our Mountain Experience Center. We've got a bunch of smaller microtrail systems in the greater Madison area and beyond, so we get a lot of people getting out into the dirt. Over here you'll find everything from full suspension mountain bikes, hardtail mountain bikes, a little bit for everyone that you can kind of tackle all sorts of trails on. With that being said too, as you're kind of making those purchases, we also supply full suspension mountain bike rentals so you can get out and try before you buy it. I feel like in the bike industry right now, obviously the talk of the town is e-bikes. Yes, we have them. While we've got a nice little spot to sit there and discuss them right here, we kind of have them displayed all throughout the store to make sure that you get on the right bike to zip around town with a little less effort. All right, one of my favorite spots, this is where the magic happens. Obviously you're doing a bunch of riding this season and we want to help you keep your rig in tip-top shape. One of the best parts about the Madison West store is we generally work to get your bikes turned in just a day or two, so we keep you riding all season long. Starts right here. You generally meet our service riders, our greeters. They're gonna sit there and obviously get you all checked in, get your bikes up in action, figure out exactly what you need. And then as we kind of walk through, that's where the fun starts from here. The back of house, the fun scenes, you see obviously bikes getting worked on, bikes that are getting set up for customers. We've got 5 benches that are stacked full of mechanics during operating hours, and obviously some things from our automatic parts washer, our manual parts washer, our bike shower, all the different services to obviously make sure that your bikes are in tip-top shape. I guess our shop within a shop here. This is our fit area. We do a ton of fitting. We have a motion capture fit system going through Psychologic and Trek's Precision Fit program. Whether we're fitting you on your bike or obviously our Precision Fit bike, you'll see Mike and the fit crew over here getting you all set up for an awesome day. As you come in, check out, drool all over those new bikes, get the stuff you need. As you go through your bike search, it's important to try it before you buy it. So it's great. We do have a test ride station here where we can get you set up, talk to you about the bike, make sure you know everything about riding it. And then as we grab a helmet, we come out here and it's really cool because around the way we'll have like a 1.1 mile test ride loop that you can sit there, get on grass, get on road, get off road, and make sure that it's the right bike for you. Okay, we nailed test ride and we figured out this is the bike for you. Obviously, we're gonna head on over to the customization station and make sure that you know everything about your new ride and have everything you need to have a great day on the trail. This can be a process of education where we may teach you how to change a tire. We'll also make sure you have everything right in your flat kit and, you know, in the process, have a little fun matching up some bottle cages. You come on in here, we've got everything you need to obviously make sure that you and your bike are set and ready to go. Yeah, these are the ones to do. Oh yeah, those are perfect. I love these. At the Trek Store Madison West, we talk about being the helpful hub of the cycling community. So when it comes to getting people new bikes, getting their rigs up and running, or sometimes getting their bikes to other places so they can explore more riding, that's where Bike Flights has come in. It's a great service where someone can come in and all those weird logistics for shipping and things there, Bike Flights just makes it easy. Some simple entering of info, we get a label, that bike is safe and secure, we slap it out and it ends up exactly where you want it, halfway across the country, wherever. Hey, when it comes to our cycling community, Madison is one of the world-renowned places for bike infrastructure. So whether you're out on the multiple bike paths in town, whether you're getting out on the numerous gravel trails, getting out on your tri-bike or your road bike all over Southwest Wisconsin, hitting the punchy hills. This shop is gonna get you equipped with one of the largest bike inventories in town. Welcome to our Project One studio. This is a great place to sit down, grab a cup of coffee, and work with one of our associates to design the bike of your dream. While we have a bunch of awesome bikes in our store ready to go, if you have a dream drivetrain, an amazing paint color that you want to come to life, we get to work with you to design that bike of your dreams. So you've checked out, obviously, Mountain Bike Experience Zone, our road bike area, our Project One studio, our fit area, our service center, and a little bit in between. If you're ever in the Madison area, please feel free to stop on by. We'll get you a route. We'll get you set up with whatever you need. But most importantly, on behalf of Bike Flights and the Trek Store Madison West, thank you for stopping by on the Top Shop Tour. I hope you have a good day.